So today we are looking at this problem: x over y plus y over x equals to 17 over 4. So here we should solve the simultaneous equation. So now we want to see how to go about solving it. So we now have this x squared plus y squared plus y equals to 17 over 4. Cross multiply both sides. So we have 4x squared plus 4y squared is equals to 17xy. So what we have here, we have 4x squared minus 17xy plus 4y squared equals to 0. So let's term this I1. So second equation is already intact. So let's term this I2. Now if we look at the first one that we are given, if you look at the two equations 1 and 2, you notice that the power of x here is squared, is 2. The sum of the power of x and y is 2. The sum of the power here, the power here is also 2. So the sum of each power of each term, they are the same, is equal. So also for this is 2. This is the power of x here is raised to the power of 1. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. And then this one is 2. So you notice that the power of the power of each variable here is the same. So if that is the case, then we have what we call an homogeneous equation. And if we have an homogeneous equation, what we use is y is equals to mx. So that's what we will use. So let me clean this. So for homogeneous equation, so we've done that. Now what we need to do now, we are now going to substitute mx for y in both equation 1 and 2. So we have 4x squared minus 17x to mx plus 4 equals to 0. We have x squared minus 4x mx plus mx all squared equals to 1. So let's simplify this. So we have 4x squared minus 17x plus 4m squared equals to 0. So now x is common. We can factorize this out. We have 4 minus 17 minus 17m plus 4m all squared equals to 0. So for the second, let's call this 3. So for the second one, we have x squared minus 4m x squared plus m squared x squared equals to 1. So what we have there, x is common, x squared is common. 1 minus 4m plus m squared equals to 1. Let's term this. So we have these two equations. So divide by 4. So we have this now. So we are going to copy this. This is great. So This is squared. So we are going to copy and paste it here. I'm going to copy this also. Paste it here. Equals to 7 over 1. So we have that. So in our final, by the time you cross multiply and trying to simplify, what you finally have is 4 minus 17 plus 4m all squared equals to 0. So for the sake of our, let me make it more simpler. 4m squared minus 17 plus 4 equals to 0. So this one will be 4m all squared minus 16m minus m plus 4 equals to 0. These are the factors. So we have 4 into m minus 4 m minus 1 into m minus 4 equals to 0. So we have 4m minus 1 in bracket m minus 4 equals to 0. So m is equals to 1 over 4 or m is equals to 4. Now we have gotten the value of our m. So what we can do now, we can substitute 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 1 over 4 for m in, let's say, in equation 3. So let's look for equation 3. Equation 3, this is what we have. So I'm going to use this. Okay, let's use 4. So I'll change it there because it looks more simple. The values are not that high. So let me change this to 4 so that the work will not. So 4 we said is equals to 1. Everything equals to 1. So we have x squared, so into m, 1 minus 4, 1 over 4, bracket, plus 1 over 4 all squared equals to 1. X squared. So this 1, that one cancels out, 1 minus 1 plus, so that one will be 1 over 16 is equals to 1. So what we have now is that x squared over 16 is equals to 1. So our x squared is equals to 16. So meaning that our x is equals to the square root of 16, which is equals to plus or minus 4. So we have gotten the value for our first value for our x. So also we can substitute. So since we got two values for x, so let's substitute 4 because we got 4 also. So let's substitute 4 in I. So we have this. So I'm going to copy this, paste it. So So we have x squared. So let me use this bracket. 1 minus 4 into 4 plus 4 plus 4 squared, bracket closed, plus 1. So what we have there, everything x squared equals to 1. So it implies that our x is either equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Now we have gotten the values of our x. So it's easy to get the value for our y. So our y, which is equals to mx. So we cannot put these values into this equation. So when when m is equals to 1 over 4, your x is equals to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. So let's put that. So we have y is equals to 1 over 4 bracket. So we can put this. So our x, our y is equals to plus or minus. So we can say that x comma y is equals to comma 1. So you can also do the rest for the second one. Y is equals to mx. So when your m is equals to 4, our x is equals to plus or minus 1. So you put that. So y is equals to 4 into bracket. So what we have there is 4 plus or minus 4. So we have plus or minus 4. So we can now say that x comma y is equals to comma. So these are the values we are getting. So let's put the values out. So these are the values of your x and y. It's quite a lengthy equation, but this is the solution. So let me see it. So jump to the second line. So this is the whole solution to the question. Still though. So let me reduce the font so that it shows make it smaller. Let me make it 10. I want you to see the whole solution. Then one page. So this is the whole page. Maybe I'll try and share this on my Google Drive so that you can download it, the whole document. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. So see you in another video. Thank you.